Hey, Kwan, try and let me see something.
Foolish boy. Make I go there, make you take 2 kids then.
Die there, you die. Say 200 cedis give woman. Wonderful.
You can what be on? Make her think. You.
Fill up for the day.
You've gotten money, so you're drinking Coke.
Money? Shit. You think I'm in the proper stage to buy this? It's not from my cocos.
Hey, Richard!
Who is chasing you? What's happening to the shop?
No.
You know, the time that I entered this shop, it be only money where they lost for here.
See, let me explain how.
Man, Asa, don't lie. Don't lie there. Don't lie.
I don't want to tell me not to lie.
I know you. You say anything just to free yourself or save yourself from.
Forget yourself. Are you mad?
No.